Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to unlock great fairies in Tears of the Kingdom. To begin, you'll need to visit the Lucky Clover Gazette and start the potential princess sightings. Questline. This initial step is crucial as it opens up the path to finding and awakening the great fairies. Each fairy requires a unique musical performance to be coaxed out of her bud, so prepare your instruments and your adventuring spirit. Your journey to awaken the great fairies often starts with Tara, located near the woodland stable in the Eldon region. To awaken her, you'll need the help of the Stable Trotters, a traveling musical troupe. Their wagon is broken, so you'll need to repair it and attach a horse to pull them. Once they play their tune, Tara will emerge, ready to offer her services and enhance your armor. Next, you'll likely seek out Mija, who resides near the Snowfield stable in the chilly Heber region. The Stable Trotters will again be your key, but this time they face a watery obstacle. You'll need to construct a suitable vehicle, perhaps a raft or a clever Zanai device, to transport them across the river. Once they reach Mija and perform, she will awaken, offering more powerful armor upgrades. Finally, you'll find Kesa near the outskirt stable and Kotra by the Dueling Peaks stable. Kesa's quest involves navigating a difficult path, so a robust vehicle for the Stable Trotters is essential. Kotra, on the other hand, requires a creative solution to get the troop up to her location. With all four great fairies awakened, your armor can reach its maximum potential, making Link an even more formidable hero.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.